What's up, guys? The Queen of Sprint is back and she is rewriting history once again. In this race, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce steps onto the track not just as a legend, as the heart and soul of Jamaica's 4x100-meter powerhouse. Her explosiveness, precision, and leadership have turned relays into masterpieces. Today we relive every stride, every exchange, and every roar from the crowd as Jamaica's Golden Queen takes command of the baton. Get ready because this isn't just a race, it's a statement.
So the Jamaican select team on paper looks good. The All-Stars team, Ophelia's leading them off, but I think lanes 4, 5 and 6 here with China, Great Britain and the Jamaican team. Decent start for Ashley Nelson. Don't forget Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce on the last leg. It's pretty even, you've got to say. Brazil and Australia started quickly. Let's look for the first handover. All pretty good, looks safe. A very good handover for Great Britain moving past Jamaica. So now we got Bianca Williams taking over from Nancy Cohn. Bianca Williams has got the baton and China giving chase here, but it's Great Britain performing superbly well. Jamaica trying to come back into it. Daryl Nita's going to have Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce chasing her. China not too far away. But can Britain hold on? Look at Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce like a steam train, express train, gets it on the line. 42.29. Well, the time will be irrelevant for the Jamaican select. She looks as though she's just been for a stroll in the park. But, my goodness me, that was incredible from Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. A good performance from Great Britain, to be fair, 42.30. Colin, I mean, we've seen things in the relays, you know, Bolt and all the rest of it, but what a final leg that was there. A bit of a smile from her, because sprinters like her don't, you know, chasing down like that isn't, you know, you don't get a chance to do that too often, do you?
No, you know, she would have loved the fact that she actually did enough to nip it, but I think she'd be a little bit furious with her other teammates, really, because their changes were disastrous down there, and that's what put her in that position where she ended up having to chase the performance. Watch this one there, then right in the middle, looking at to Elaine Thompson, all over the place. And Elaine gets to the baton, gets herself very stable then, and starts then to charge down Ermani. Again, look how messy this change ends up being. Hands are all over the place, they just get the baton in the hand, and of course they put themselves under a lot of pressure. But here I was watching this changeover very carefully with the British quartet there, because that was right on the edge. And so, edge is good enough. She gets the baton, of course, and waiting for Shelly-Ann to come steaming down, because you know what her capabilities are. And Nita would be hopefully glancing at the screen and thinking, no, I'm going to hang on. But look, Shelly-Ann just outleaned a brilliant performance. Excited for the crowd, Steve.
I think technically it's impossible to have, to have one athlete on a certain level of slow motion and another one on another, because it doesn't look like Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce that it's going at the same speed, just eating up the ground.
Le public, alors qu'on se souvient bien sûr de Paris 2003, où les Françaises nous avaient arraché la médaille d'or. Et là, ce sont les Russes qui sont dans la position de Paris 2003, avec Belkina Rusakova, Savlinis et Bolsoun au couloir numéro 2. Allez, Céline Distel au couloir numéro 4 qui est moyennement partie. Et derrière la Britannique Asher Smith est revenue en partie sur elle. Ayodele Ikwezan dans la ligne opposée alors que les Américaines sont bien avec Anderson. Et les Jamaïcaines également. Myriam Soumaré, c'est un peu compliqué le passage, les Françaises sont loin. La Jamaïque est devant avec Calvaire et Shelly-Ann Fraser, ça va faire 3 médailles d'or à l'arrivée pour la Jamaïque sans problème. Et la médaille d'argent pour la Grande-Bretagne, à Capco, Stella, elle revient, allez Stella, et la médaille d'argent, médaille d'argent pour l'équipe de France. Qu'est-ce qu'elle a fait Stella Capco? Qu'est-ce qu'elle a fait?
Junior seulement. Ah ouais, junior, meilleur junior au monde,
attends, parce
quel relais.
Et il faudra qu'on revienne sur le virage de Myriam Soumaré. Ça a dû être stratosphérique parce que Myriam était loin, Stéphane.
Surtout, elle est partie arrêtée presque. Il y a eu un très mauvais passage. Le deuxième passage là, celui-ci n'est pas très bon.
Oh, Myriam, elle a tout donné là et le passage est parfait, Stella. Mais c'est pas vrai. Cette équipe de France qui termine.
Welcome back once again, guys. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. The name alone carries weight, legacy, and electricity. When she lines up on the track, the entire stadium falls silent because everyone knows what's coming next. This is the 4x100 meter relay, the event where precision meets raw power and teamwork defines glory. The Jamaican women's team, with Shelly-Ann Fraser as its centerpiece, steps onto the track, shoulder squared, eyes sharp. On the other side, their biggest rivalry, Team Great Britain. Always fast, always fierce. The relay isn't just about speed, it's about trust. One bad baton exchange and it's over. But when Jamaica's queens run together, it's poetry in motion. Shelly's experience and leadership are unmatched. 5-time world champion, multiple Olympic medals, and over a decade of dominance. She is the veteran who sets the tone, the one who ignites the team energy. As the first runners take their marks, the tension in the stadium is electric. Bang! The gun goes off. And Jamaica is flying from the very first stride. The crowd erupts as the first exchange approaches. Smooth, that's the word. Jamaica's handoff is flawless. The baton glides like it's alive, as if it knows it's heading towards destiny. By the time the second exchange happens, the Great Britain is still within reach. But Shelly-Ann's turn is coming. And when she takes the baton, the entire stadium shifts. She explodes down the straight like a bullet. Her form, perfect. Knees high, drive powerful, eyes locked on the finish line. That signature Fraser-Pryce speed surged through every muscle fiber. Here comes Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. She is untouchable. With one final exchange, Jamaica's anchor takes over. And now it's all about maintaining that lead. The baton shines under the stadium lights as the Jamaican sprinter storms across the finish line. Victory gold. Shelly raises her arms, a smile breaking across her face. The joy of yet another triumph. Her teammates swarm her, the flag drapes across their shoulders, and the crowd chants her name. For Shelly-Ann, this wasn't just another relay. It was a reminder to the world she is still here, still dominant, and still the definition of excellence. Year after year, young sprinters rise, but none have matched her consistency, her grace, or her explosive brilliance. Even at this stage in her career, she is proving that greatness doesn't fade, it evolves. The camera pans across the Jamaican team, unity, pride, and power. And at the center, the legend who built it all. In the world of track and field, the baton symbolizes more than just a race. It represents legacy. And Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce has passed down more than speed. She has passed down belief, discipline, and Jamaican dominance. This 4x100 meter relay will be remembered as one of the greatest, not just for the win, but for the message. You can't count out the queen. Not today, not ever. What a performance! Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce once again proves why she is the face of Jamaican excellence. Every stride, every exchange, every finish, pure gold. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more track and field moments, and let's keep celebrating the legends who define speed.